Hey, it's Ashley from Once Upon a Wardrobe, and I'm gonna take you on a room tour of a family suite at All Star Music. All right, when you walk into the main living area. It's very spacious. You've got a table here, and then you've got a couch, and then this little blue stool that actually opens up for more storage. It's huge. And then these two areas here, these are the Murphy beds, so those will fold down at night. USB storage, plenty of space here for phones. You walk in, you have a bathroom. So it's pretty big. I mean, it's about the same size as an regular All-Star Music bathroom area. You have a stand and shower and a tub. And over here, you've got some room for clothes. And the awesome part of the suite here, I also love this lamp. Music note. Got some cute wall art that goes along with the theme of the resort. But the awesome part here is your mini kitchen, essentially. So you have a sink, you have a microwave, coffee pot, you have plenty of room down there for storage, and you have a fridge. It's a really nice space when you have families. And then in here is like the master suite, TV, a sitting area, and then the bed. And then this actually has its own private bathroom as well. So you have another area here. You have more closet space, the hair dryer. And then this is a little bit different, and it actually doesn't have a bathtub in here. It just has the shower. So all in all, pretty spacious for what you're paying.